Okay, here we go. Winner's choice. New Sexy Birds. 10 spots. $5. 10 spots. Here's our list. Brad and Alex duking it out. Let's get it going. Nine five zero. Okay, let's get our proofs. Everything's good. Random. Verify you're human. That's new. Okay. Refreshes. Okay. Secure connection. Valid certificate. And we're off. Good luck, fellas. 10 spots. Good luck.
8. That means number 8's the winner.
8's your winner, and
it is.
Turkey Man.
I'm
Who's our
saying
winner?
it's Alex.
Nope.
And...
Nope. Slow down.
Oh
Nope.
wait, no, Brad.
Yes, Brad is our
I
winner.
read the wrong one.
Bradley Bostick is the winner. Congratulations. Contact Johnny Boy for your prize.
Johnny Boy.
You met John. Remember him and Jessica and their kids came down and we played with them from Montreal.
Oh, him. But your name's John.
952. Yeah, my name's John as well. Congrats.
You're coming with me. That's what I thought, but... Yeah, again, do that and I throw you in.
952. 952.